How's it going, creatures? Tim Kreitz here, Tim Kreitz Adventures. Today I only have a little bit of time and the weather is still marginal, but I wanted to go and tool around West Texas a little bit, close to home. Just gonna ride around the Midland, Odessa area, and you, as always, are invited to come along. Stick around. So as I said, I only have a short amount of time to ride today. I've got about an hour and a half, 2 hours tops. I've got to do the radio show tonight, and I've got to be at the station in time to do all of the prep work that's necessary to be on the air for 5 hours. But I wanted to get in a little bit of riding. But before I do that, I need to get me some Red Bull into my system. Get that Red Bull in my veins. That way I can talk and think good on camera. Caffeine is a drug, kids. Trains. Of course, you guys know that by now. Oh man. This parking spot was made to view this train. That train's running too. Heck yeah. Time for some rail fanning. My guess, and this is just a guess, but I'm thinking that they are sidetracked right now waiting for another train to go by. So maybe we'll just sit here for a few minutes and see if another train shows up. It's shutting down. All right. Let's go mess around a little bit more. Yeah. I think I finally see that train coming that the sidetracked trains are waiting for. And I'll likely not be able to get pulled over or get a camera out in time to catch it. Maybe I will. Let's give her a shot. Trains are fun. All right, let's roll. What I'm coming up on right now is the old 8th Mile drag strip that we used to have here. It was really, really nice, but they just never could make it financially viable, and it shut down And of course an oil company bought it, and I don't think there's very much left of it. But I think the track itself is still there. Let's see, shall we? Let's find out. Oh, it's for sale. 47.7 acres will subdivide. Yeah, the old track is still there. That is crazy. I ran this bike down that track many, many times. Won a little money out here too. What a great drag strip this was. Now it's just another ghost town remnant like so much other stuff in West Texas. Let's check it out. The timing house is still there, and the track run out is still there, but man, there's nothing else there besides the track lights. They took down the stands and the tower and everything. Okay, at this point, all I'm doing is riding around, which is fine for me, but it may be a little boring for you. Tell you what, let's do, man. I'm gonna run by the radio station real quick, see if my co-host is there yet. But I'm gonna take my bike home before I come back to the radio station for the show, because it is gonna be way too cold to ride tonight. The shades are pulled down. I don't know if he's there yet or not. Alright, I gotta go. You guys, thanks for tuning in. This was just a meandering of randomness, but maybe I showed you some cool stuff today. More ghost town rides to come, more weird, odd little trips to come. You guys just hang in there. The warm weather's coming back. I'm working with what I've got here. Until we meet again, you guys take care of yourselves and take care of one another. See you next time. Bye!